In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the NFL Sunday Ticket Best Buy discount in 2025, so you can watch every game without paying full price. First, this deal is available for My Best Buy Plus and My Best Buy Total members. If you're not a member yet, signing up is quick and affordable, and it unlocks this discount along with other perks. Next, head over to the Best Buy website and find the NFL Sunday Ticket product page. As a member, you'll see the discounted price, usually around $258, which is a big savings off the regular cost. Add it to your cart and make sure you're logged in with your Best Buy membership during checkout. After your purchase, you'll get an email with instructions to redeem your NFL Sunday Ticket access. It's that simple. Bonus tip: if you're a student, you might also qualify for the YouTube TV Student Plan, which offers NFL Sunday Ticket at an even lower price, perfect for catching every game on a budget. So, to sum it up, become a Best Buy member, grab the discount, and enjoy every NFL game this season without breaking the bank. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other tutorials for more money-saving sports tips.